Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Goa Police issue immigration check alert against Tarun Tejpal. Crime branch records victim girl's statement in Mumbai. Congress demands Kaito Silva's resignation. Says has problem with individuals staying in Goa with Portuguese citizenship, not staying abroad. Minister Dayanand Mandrekar slams Forest Department for non-cooperation, says will present case with evidence before Mahadayi tribunal during their visit. Talwar couple gets life term for murdering their 14-year-old daughter Arushi. Court pronounces verdict. Talwars to challenge the order in High Court. And Kurti Khandepar locals asked to suggest alternate site for garbage disposal. Meeting on Wednesday after locals complained of unhygienic conditions. Now news in detail. Goa Police has issued immigration check alert against rape accused Tarun Tejpal. A team of crime branch has recorded victim girl's statement in Mumbai. Meanwhile, Delhi High Court has issued notice to Goa Police on the matter of anticipatory bail petition filed by Tarun Tejpal.
Goa Police is suspecting that rape accused Tarun Tejpal can leave country to dodge the arrest. Taking precautionary steps, Goa Police has issued immigration check alerts to all the airports and borders check posts.
A border check post alert has been issued by the investigating officer to all the immigration check posts in the country regarding the alleged accused, that in case there is an attempt to leave the country, the investigating officer should be informed about it.
OP Mishra also informed that victim girl is fully cooperating with Goa Police. DIG Mishra also said that statement of victim is being recorded in Mumbai.
Today, a team of crime branch officials, including the investigating officer, they are talking to the victim. She is fully cooperating with us.
After a brief hearing of anticipatory bail petition filed by Tarun Tejpal on Tuesday, Delhi High Court issued notice to Goa Police. DIG OP Mishra said that he is yet to talk with their counsel. Delhi High Court will further hear the anticipatory bail petition on Wednesday. Meanwhile, anticipatory bail plea of Tarun Tejpal came up for hearing on Tuesday. He has claimed that the issue is politically motivated. He is trying hard to get the case handed over to central agency. He alleges that police are purposely avoiding the CCTV footage from the elevator. Tejpal says the footage will say it all. He has raised doubt over victims' behavior. However, High Court has denied anticipatory bail to Tejpal. The hearing has been scheduled on Wednesday. The victim has quit the organization, alleging that managing editor Shoma Chaudhary is more concerned about Tehelka and Tarun Tejpal. The girl has alleged that Shoma tried to cover up the case. 4 other journalists have also left the organization. Goa Police has recorded statement of Tehelka journalist, managing editor Shoma Chaudhary and the victim. Now Tejpal's statement is awaited. Sources say Tejpal's arrest is possible at any time. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Portuguese citizenship issue is creating ripples in the state. Congress says it does not have problem with Goikas with Portuguese citizenship working abroad. However, it has an objection to the Portuguese citizens staying in Goa. North Goa BJP MP Shripad Naik says this issue has to be discussed in the parliament. Congress is demanding resignation of Kaito Silva.
The BJP government in Goa has no moral authority to continue in power in view of the fact that two MLAs, one belonging to Goa Vikas Party and other belonging to BJP, are prima facie proved to be not citizens of India. They should quit voluntarily from the assembly, or the speaker or the chief minister, whoever have some sort of influence over them to advise, they should be told to quit. BJP is, which claims to be a nationalist party, although they are the creation of RSS, and we know how patriotic RSS is. Therefore, BJP has to take the burden, and on their own they should show the doors to these MLAs. Governor of Goa has got power under Article 54(2) to send message to the Goa Assembly and ask whether any foreign national is sitting in the Goa Assembly at present and in participating in the debates. This information Governor can ask through a message.
Immediately Mr. Kaito should resign, failing of which the apex authorities like the Election Commission, His Excellency the Governor किंवा स्पीकर ज्यांच्याकडे अधिकार असतात आणि इमिजिएटली ताजेर एक्शन घेवंक जाय. निर्णयाचो इफेक्ट तमाम गोमंतक्यां जातलो ह्या संबंधी म्हजी, पूण हे थोडेशें आमच्या गोंयकार लोकांक भितरून उडोवपाचें, म्हणजे अशें एक कितें म्हणटा तशें सिच्युएशन तयार करपाचें, भयकान म्हणटा तशें त्या प्रकारचे बीजेपी थोडेसो प्रयत्न करता.
The party would like to assure thousands of Goans who are abroad today that the party stands with them. We will see to it that their difficulties are not compounded by false propaganda. They can come and stay in India any period of time. They will have a permanent visa stamped on their passport. They don't have to go on applying it every time and then. Nothing else. Continues.
I'm a very respected, responsible citizen of this country, and I am not interested in any other citizenship than Indian.
And have you been a Portuguese citizen anytime? Just
Yes.
clarify on that.
Yes. Before 1962.
Yeah.
61.
Before 1962.
61.
61. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all.
Nothing after that.
Nothing after.
However, North Goa MP Shripad Naik says that there is a need to take up this issue to the parliament. However, he opted to be mum on the action against Kaitu.
आता सेशन आमचे 5 तारखेर सुरू जातले. त्या हेतून हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक म्हणजे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक प्रश्न विचारतो, कशा पद्दतीन तुमी गोंयांक ह्या गोष्टीचें सोल्युशन दिवंक शकतले.
तेका जेन्ना मिनिस्ट्रीन झालं की ते पोर्तुगीज नागरीक म्हणून, आणि अशा वेळार तेंच्यानी आमदार राहावे कितपत आणि ह्या वेळार तांकां पक्षान तुमच्या पाठिंबा द्यावे.
काही गोष्टाक हे मिनिस्ट्रीन सांगले म्हणून सगळें जालें अशें कांय ना न्ही. कायद्याचे खूब बरे आसात, मिनिस्ट्री सुद्दां खूब फावटी चुकिल्ली आसा हे तुमकां खबर आसा, आनी म्हणून ताजो शेवटच्या हाका पर्यंत सूक्ष्म लाय पर्यंत आमी ते गिल्टी अशें म्हणून जायना. कित्याक ते डिसिजन एक टोटल डिसिजन घेवनी म्हणून सरकारान ठरोवनी. होम मिनिस्ट्रीज एक ते ठरोवंक शकना अशे खुबश्यो गोश्टी आसात, आनी म्हणून एज ए होल सरकारान ह्या संदर्भात एक परमनंट निर्णय जेन्ना घेतले ते आमकां मानचेच पडटले आनी मानतले. नो प्रॉब्लम.
Lokik Shilkar and Samir for Prudent.
Team of Mahadayi tribunal will be in Goa in December for inspection. Government will present Goa's case before the tribunal team along with documents and evidences. Water Resource Minister Dayanand Mandrekar said this during the state-level painting competition by Water Resource Department. Chief Engineer says Goa needs 4 to 5 small dams. Mandrekar slammed Forest Department for creating hurdles in clearing the dam projects.
आम्ही मागता आमचे एनवायरमेंटाचे लोक आहात त्यांच्या सुद्धा केशी आनीक घालच्यो अशें आमचे तांकां रिक्वेस्ट आहा. तुमी केवळ आमच्या बरोबर आमचे दोश काडीत रावू नाका. शेवटी तुमची एनवायरमेंटल जे लोक आहात त्यांची जबाबदारी जाता. गोंयच्या भवितव्याक लागून गोंयची पर्यावरण राखून दवरपाक लागून तुमची जबाबदारी आहा. तुम्ही त्यांचेर केशी घालपाची गरज आहा. तांकां आमी हे करपाचें ना. आनी आमी ह्या हेका लागून आमी ताका शेवटी उदक कितें जातलें हेचे आमकां कांय खबर ना, पूण हे फाटीं घेवपाचो प्रश्नच येना. फाल्यां हेच्या संदर्भान ट्रिब्युनलाचे फूल टीम फुडल्या म्हयन्यान गोंयांत येता. आमचे सगळे ऑफिस, आमची तयारी, सगळी परिस्थिती जी कितें आहा पळय ती तांकां पळयतले. त्याच्या नंतर न्याय निवाडो कितें आहा तो थंय सुप्रीम कोर्ट दितलो.
Mandrekar was speaking during state-level painting competition organized by Union Water Resources Ministry. MP Shripad Naik and other officers were present for the function. Mandrekar lashed out at Forest Department.
जाय तितके उदक आमी आणिल्लें जर सेफ करपाक वतात, आज प्रॉब्लेम आहा. आमची 2-3 धरणां आमी करपाचे हेचेर आहा, पूण काही टेक्निकल अडचणी आहा. त्या टेक्निकल अडचणीक लागून थंयतरी आमकां अप्रुवलां मेळना. फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट एक विचित्र एक डिपार्टमेंट आहा, ते थंय परमिशनाच दिना. ते वायल्ड लायफ सेंच्युरी म्हणटा आनी कसली सेंच्युरी म्हणटा, कितें कितें सांगता तेच कळना आनी ते कितेंच करपाक दिना.
About 30 to 40% of our state is covered by reserved forest or the wildlife sanctuaries, where it becomes very difficult for us to carry out any water resources projects. Overcome our needs in the future, we should have at least some 4-5 of such storage projects in the state of Goa. Government of Goa has a foresight in preparing the master plans for our water resources, majorly 4 rivers in Goa. We have estimated the needs and the availability up to 2051 AD.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
The High Court has directed state government to invite public opinions before finalizing new groundwater policy. Court has also directed government to implement the new groundwater policy by 1st of May next year.
During the hearing of a public interest litigation before the High Court on Tuesday, Goa government submitted draft copy of new groundwater policy. After the hearing, court directed the state government to notify new groundwater policy and invite public opinion in large public interest. The High Court has also directed the government to implement the new policy by 1st May 2014. Petitioner contended that government has failed to control illegal use of groundwater by water tankers lobby. Petitioner also alleged that the government indiscriminately implemented the present policy, which resulted in huge loss of revenue to the state. Government's counsel stated that under a drive, government has registered all the commercial wells and bore wells of both the districts of the state. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
As per the direction of the Supreme Court, Mines Department has formed 2 committees to verify the extracted ore lying in different jetties, mines, stockyard and ports. Teams have been formed under the leadership of Assistant Director Parag Nagashekar and another Assistant Director Manuel de Mello. The team will have to submit the report by 15 December. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.